Did you know that adverse drug reactions, or ADRs, have to be reported to Swissmedic when certain criteria are met? Let's start with a case study. A patient is admitted to hospital with a brain hemorrhage. Since suffering a pulmonary embolism and atrial fibrillation, he has been treated with a direct oral anticoagulant and an antiarrhythmic agent. He's also taking an ACE inhibitor, a statin, and an antidepressant. The brain hemorrhage is attributed to the treatment with the DOAC. Brain hemorrhage is a serious but well-known side effect of DOACs. The case seems clear so far. But should this case be reported to Swissmedic? As it is a serious case, it is subject to the reporting obligation. However, the case should also be reported because it includes other important information. The DOAC is the probable cause of the brain hemorrhage, but two other factors could also have contributed. The antiarrhythmic agent used here can interact with the specific DOAC, in this case via the PGP transporter, and increase blood levels of the DOAC. In addition, the antidepressant from the group of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors can increase the risk of bleeding due to its effect on thrombocytes. Why is it important to report side effects? Clinical trials prior to market launch cannot reliably identify rare and very rare adverse drug reactions in particular. In addition, day-to-day use of medicinal products can reveal new safety aspects that are not sufficiently represented in clinical trials. The reports contribute to detecting ADRs. As a result, measures can be introduced to make the treatment safer. This way, every report contributes to the available medicinal products having a favorable risk-benefit profile. What suspected ADRs have to be reported? Serious adverse drug reactions and previously unknown ADRs. According to the Swiss Therapeutic Products Act, the brain hemorrhage case must be reported as it is serious. In addition, the case includes important safety aspects. It shows that a certain interaction is not always considered in day-to-day use and can endanger patients. How are cases reported? Healthcare professionals can report ADRs directly using the online platform Elvis or contact their regional pharmacovigilance centre. They're located in Basel, Geneva, Lausanne, Lugano and Zurich. Only a few details are mandatory when reporting an ADR, but the more information the better. Lab reports, hospital letters or autopsy reports can also be submitted in anonymised form via Elvis. What happens once a report is filed? The report is assessed by Swissmedic and compared with existing data. Clinical experts at the regional centres assist Swissmedic with assessing many reports. In many cases, the regional centres also give direct expert medical feedback to the reporting doctors and pharmacists. A decision is then made as to whether new safety information has emerged and whether measures need to be taken to reduce the risk. Every report is also forwarded to the manufacturer concerned, who also assesses the risk, and to the WHO. Every report contributes to knowledge of possible risks of medicinal products and thus to patient safety. You can find further information on pharmacovigilance and the Elvis reporting portal at swissmedic.ch.